Hi, I'm Catherine Story. Welcome to my channel, House of Story. I'm doing a little chapter by chapter of the book I wrote, and it's about finding the artistic rebel within you. If you are watching my channel, you are probably a creative. You're either interested in fashion or art or something, you're passionate about something inside of you, and maybe you don't know what it is yet. Maybe you don't know what field you want to channel your creativity or your passion into. And the first part about this book I wrote was about finding your rebel voice. And just to let you know, I've been doing this for over 25 years and I'm still finding my voice. I'm still finding layers of who I really am. It's a journey. It's a lifetime journey being a creative person. It's a lifetime journey being a human, right? And understanding ourselves and seeing how we change and why do we like this now and why are we attracted to that color and how do we bring that rebel, that being a rebel is being true to yourself, right? So whatever form you decide to channel it into, maybe you're a mother and you're channeling it into raising incredible kids, or how can you raise your child in a unique and creative way that is fulfilling for you. It's like a job isn't to get you money. A job is to get satisfaction and fulfillment. And when I think about my business like that, it's not, yes, to have a prosperous business is very important. Money is a way to determine how well you're doing. It's like there's not a lot of things in life. I mean, you could say today, you could go see the doctor and he could say you were fine and you could drop dead tomorrow. But money, you can see your results through money or just through enthusiasm as well. But you don't know if that's a fake enthusiasm, right? Money is a way to show where you are. And as a designer, and I haven't really worked for very many people. I've been working for myself since I was 28, it's a lifetime. I've been working for myself and doing and making everything that my life is, I make with my hands and my mind. So start by finding out what makes you unique, why are you attracted to certain things? Why, if you're a designer, if you're watching this to get advice on how to grow your business as a designer, why are you attracted to Tom Ford and not Ralph Lauren? Follow the breadcrumbs to your passion. When I started, you do get inspired. I'm still inspired by so many designers. And maybe you do something similar to them to help you find your own voice. There's nothing wrong with, I think there's a lot wrong with directly copying things from people, but what I find is if somebody inspires me and I go into the studio, there's no way I could recreate what that person did anyways. It's just kind of a way, it's a tool for me to find my voice. So go to fabric stores, take pictures, have a file on your phone that's just an inspiration. I have that and I just save things. I don't know why do I like it? I don't know why I like it, but I just save it and it fills my soul. If it's that thing in me that just goes, yeah, it means there's something there for me to learn or there's something there for me to express. So start by looking at yourself and seeing how you work the way you work, why you tick the way you tick. If you are designing for women and you're a woman, why are you design for yourself? Feel how it feels to wear your clothes. If you're a man, find a muse. And I say a muse can be in a person, but the muse for me is also in my studio. It shows up in crazy ways where they'll be like, what should I do with that? And then a piece of fabric will be there. And it's almost like the muse is telling me, oh, use that. And a lot of times that's why I don't take complete credit for what I do. I really, really call myself more of an artistic designer than I am anything else, because I don't follow trends. But it's interesting how trends will show up because I think they're just in the field. And so you attract what it is that